Hello guys. So how to add Athene Parthenon chain to Metamask? Now to be able to do that, just tap on browse, the browse icon from the bottom bar. And after that, tap on plus to be able to open a window, to be able to type in search for Parthenon like this, dot Athene like this, athenescan.io, and tap on search. Now for a few seconds, as you can see, this page will shows for you. Now what we will need to do is tap on connect. Now after that, as you can see, tap on connect again. And now as you can see, select MetaMask. Now after that, tap on connect. And as you can see, the permission is updated. And as you can see, so our Athene Parthenon chain is added to our MetaMask wallet. So this is how to add Athene Parthenon chain to MetaMask wallet. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.